Hello everyone, Andarki Namaskaram. Welcome to Kanchipuram VRK Silks live show. Before I'm starting this live, I would like to wish you a very happy new year, and this new year will bring you lots of love, care and wealth and prosperity. So without any delay, let's get start our live video with this amazing collections, that is Pattu sarees. So let's get start with this beautiful saree here. See, it's pink with navy blue color combination. And this saree has got a very beautiful design on the body here. See, it has got a silver saree design and a very pretty border that is in contrast color for the saree. And see the pallu. It's in contrast color. It is rich in with design with a golden zari here. See. And it has got a navy blue color plain blouse with border, and the item code to get the saree is LV4080 and weaver's price is 29,950 rupees only. So if you like any of the sarees in this live video, you have to do just take the screenshot along with the item code and send it to our WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is 9696699666. Now let's check out other sarees. So here we have the beautiful Pattu saree here. It's with gold and red color combination, very beautiful combination, isn't it? And it has got all over kairi and flower design, and see the border, very pretty one. It has got a kairi design on it in red color. It has a rich pallu, and here is the blouse. It has a very beautiful blouse here. It's a tissue blouse with border. So the item code is LV3084 and weaver's price of this saree is 22,500 rupees. Next saree. Here we have another beautiful saree. So it's with peach and grey color combination. We have very beautiful collection today. On this special occasion, see, this saree has got very pretty design on it with a silver zari rudraksha design, and see the border, grey color contrast kadi with rudraksha designer border, and here we have a contrast pallu. It's a grand rich pallu, and finally the blouse here. In grey color, that is contrast color for the saree, and it is zari butties designer blouse with border. Very pretty saree, and the item code is LV3329 and weaver's price of this saree is 22,500 rupees only. Next saree. Wow, here we have another pretty saree. See, we have a very beautiful saree here. And it is in pink with red color combination, very great combination. And see, it has got silver zari lean crepe jal weaving with silver zari fancy motifs all over the body, and a big border here in red color. It's a skirt border, and has a very pretty pallu in contrast color. It's a brocade pallu, and when it comes to the blouse is also in contrast color. Here, that is red. It's plain with border. So the item code for this beautiful saree is LV2675 and weaver's price is 29,950 rupees only. Now let's check out next saree. So here we have another Pattu saree. So it's rust red with pink color combination. See the design. Has got a intricate design all over the body. It's all over small jal with lotus flower booties with meena work outline, and see the border, very impressive one. Has got a very different design on it. It's in contrast color for the saree, that is pink color. And here we have a pretty pallu. It's a self pallu, rich in design with golden zari. And finally the blouse here, rust color plain tissue blouse with border. So the item code for this beautiful saree is LV4083 and weaver's price is 29,950 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have another beautiful saree. See, it's with cream and navy blue color combination. Very pretty combination. And see, it has got a very ethnic look with all these silver zari jal flower design on the body. And a very big border it has got. In a contrast color that is navy blue color. And also it has a golden zari peacock and flower design on it. And here we have an amazing pallu. It's in contrast color, as you can see here. It has a very beautiful design. You can see it has an elephant design. And here we have a blouse. It's in contrast color for the saree and it's plain with border. And the item code for this pretty saree is LV2268 and weaver's price is 29,950 rupees. Next saree. See, we have a very beautiful collection today. Don't miss this live. See, it's with yellow with red color combination. It's a pattu saree, beautiful pattu saree. It has got silver zari micro leaves, brocade weaving on the body. You can have a close look, it looks very pretty. And see the border, contrast one, red color jacquard border. And it has a contrast pallu as well, rich pallu. And when it comes to the blouse, it has a very beautiful one here. See, looks great. It's in contrast color for the saree and it's plain with border. And the item code is LV1836 and weaver's price is 29,950 rupees only. Next saree. See, we have another attractive saree here. See, it looks very attractive. This design on the body. See, it looks very different and unique. It's a paddy work saree with big jal weaving with flower and mango design. And here we have a purple color designer border for this saree. Looks great. And see the pallu, contrast one. Has a very rich design with golden zari. And here is the blouse. Pretty, isn't it? Looks very pretty. It's purple color zari designer tissue blouse with border. And the item code for this pretty saree is LV4079 and weaver's price is 29,950 rupees. So we have a video calling option also. Just dial to our WhatsApp number. You can shop your favorite saree from sitting at your home only. Just dial to our WhatsApp number. Our customer executive will assist you further. Now let's check out next saree. So here we have another amazing pattu saree. See, we have a very beautiful collection today. See, it has got beautiful design. It's blue with purple color combination. See the tree design on the body with golden zari. Looks very unique. And the border, big one. In contrast color, it's a skirt border as well as it has got a peacock designer border. And see the pallu has got beautiful brocade rich pallu. And finally the blouse here, see, it's a purple color plain blouse with border. It has very beautiful color combination, just pretty. And the item code for this saree is LV2957 and weaver's price is 17,500 rupees only. So I will repeat again, if you like any of the sarees, all you have to do is just take the screenshot of the saree which you like along with the item code and send it to our WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is 969669966. Now let's check out next saree. So see, this is another beautiful one here. It's a pattu saree with gold and red color combination. And all over the body, it has got flower with leafy designer motifs. And the border here in contrast color, red color golden zari peacock flower as well as plaid border. And see the pallu, very beautiful. It's pink color golden zari rich pallu. And finally the blouse here, see, it has got a very pretty one. It's in pink color. It's a tissue blouse with border. And the item code for this beautiful saree is LV3075 and weaver's price is 22,500 rupees. Now let's check out next saree. So here we have very unique saree, the unique color combination. So it's pink and purple with orange color combination, multicolor. See the body and see it has a very different design. It's a zari by zari saree with all over jal weaving. It has a leafy flower booties, you can see here in blue color. And see the border, very pretty one. It's a peach color, big border. And it has got a peach color pallu as well. It's rich in golden zari design. And see the blouse, it is also in contrast color for the saree. It's peach color and it's enriched with golden zari design. It's a designer blouse with border. And the item code for this beautiful saree is LV2097 and weaver's price is 25,000 rupees. Next saree. So here we have another pretty saree. See the color, looks very attractive. It's a snuff with saffron color combination. See, it has got a very intricate design on the body. It is having all over micro and macro kairi booties and also micro leaves with golden zari. And see the big border here, very big one. It's in saffron color. It's a designer skirt border, as well as you can see here it has got a peacock design as well. And here is a beautiful pallu for the saree. It's a contrast one. And here is the blouse finally. It is also in contrast color, that is saffron color. It's a brocade blouse with border. So the item code for this pretty saree is LV2536 and weaver's price is 29,950 rupees. Now let's check out next saree. So here we have got another one. See, very beautiful one. It's with blue and red color combination, very rare and unique combination. And this saree has got silver zari micro leaves jal weaving with florals on the body with a very unique pattern. And see the border, it's contrast one, red color, has a peacock design, horizontal weaving. And here we have a contrast pallu as well. It's a brocade pallu. And the blouse is also in contrast color, that is red color. It's plain with border. And the item code for this pretty saree is LV2067 and weaver's price is 29,950 rupees. Next saree. So here we have rust with red color combination saree. See, it has a very beautiful diamond cut design with golden zari on the body. And here big border, attractive one, has got a big border here in red color with plaid as well as flower design. and see the border. Pallu, it has got a rich pallu with diamond cut design. And finally the blouse here, it has got a very pretty one with a rust color. It's a brocade blouse with big border. Very pretty, isn't it? And the item code to get the saree is LV3083 and weaver's price is 22,500 rupees. Next saree. See how beautiful it is, and the color combination also looks great. This is orange with purple color combination. All over the body it has got jal weaving with peacock design, and also it has got a meena work outline. And here we have got a purple color medium designer border. And here is the pallu, beautiful grand rich pallu. When it comes to the blouse of the saree has got a purple color plain blouse with border. And the item code for this beautiful saree is LV3327 and weaver's price is 22,500 rupees. Next saree. Wow, this saree looks very unique. It's a purple with pink color combination. See, all over the body, it's called a paddy work. All over geometrical designer booties with outline meena work here. It has multicolor design, you can see here. In the border, pink color designer border. It has got a grand rich pallu. And see the blouse, here is the blouse. It's orange color zari tissue mango designer blouse with border. And the item code for this beautiful saree is LV4081 and weaver's price is 29,950 rupees only. Now let's check out next saree. So here we have another beautiful saree. It's a greenish yellow with red color combination. See, all over the body has got greenish yellow color with lean creeper silver zari jal weaving. And here we have got a pretty border for the saree. It looks very beautiful with this color combination. See, it's in contrast color, rich in silver zari design. It has diamond cut design as well as floral turning work here. And see the pallu here, contrast one, rich in golden zari design. And here we have a beautiful blouse. It's in pink color, plain blouse with border. And the item code for this beautiful saree is LV1835 and weaver's price is 25,000 rupees. Next saree. Wow, here we have a plain pattu saree. It's in dark red color. But see the body has got all over small checks. It's a munia checks with golden zari. And also it has a small flower booties here. And see, it's an open border type. And it has a very pretty pallu in contrast color, that is purple color. Golden zari designer pallu. And here is the blouse. Just like the saree, but it's in different color, that is contrast purple color checks blouse. And the item code for this beautiful saree is LV2151 and weaver's price is 22,500 rupees. Next saree. So here we have another saree. It's a pattu saree. It's rust orange with pink color combination. See, all over the body it has got very great design. That is paddy work, all over jewellery, silver zari booties. And see the border here. It's in pink color, contrast border for the saree, and it has got a beautiful design with golden zari here. And here we have a contrast pallu as well. It's a grand rich pallu. And finally the blouse here, beautiful one. It's a contrast color plain tissue blouse with border. So the item code for this beautiful saree is LV4082 and weaver's price is 25,000 rupees only. Next saree. So here we have got another beautiful one. It's with sandal gold with pink color combination. See, very beautiful combination. And all over the body it has got a great design with paddy works, with jal weaving, with peacock and mango design. And see the border here, small one, looks pretty. It's in contrast color, that is pink color. And here we have a contrast color pallu as well. It is rich with golden zari design. And when it comes to the blouse, here it has a very beautiful one. It's in pink color, rich and golden zari design with border. Very pretty one. I would suggest you to go for the saree. And the item code is LV4078 and weaver's price is 29,950 rupees only. Next saree. Here we have another pretty saree. It's with gold and red color combination. And see the design on the body, it looks very unique. It has all over jal weaving with flower design. And see the border. It has got a very pretty and unique one here. It's in red color, that is contrast color for the saree. It has got flower design as well as temple turning work here, you can see here. And the pallu, here it's a grand rich pallu. And finally the blouse. Here we have a very beautiful one for the saree. It's in red color, golden zari designer blouse with border. And the item code for this amazing saree is LV4074 and weaver's price is 29,950 rupees only. Now let's check out next saree. Wow, here we have a dark color one. See, it's with purple and red color combination. Looks very ethnic. See the design on the body, looks very attractive. It has designer flower booties with outline meena work with golden zari. And see the border, very impressive, isn't it? It's in red color, that is contrast color for the saree. It's a kaddi with designer border. And here we have a pallu. It's in contrast color and rich in golden zari design. And this is a pallu. It has paired with a very beautiful blouse here. It's in red color and it's a jacquard blouse with border. And the item code for this beautiful saree is N0554 and weaver's price is 19,950 rupees only. Next saree. We have another one here. It's rust with red color combination. And this saree has got square with silver zari flower booties design. And see, it has a very big border here. Looks great. For the saree, it's in red color, rich in golden zari peacock and flower design. And see the pallu here, very beautiful one, isn't it? It's a golden zari rich pallu. And finally here it is paired up with very beautiful blouse here. It's in rust color tissue brocade blouse with border. And the item code for this beautiful saree is LV3078 and weaver's price is 22,500 rupees only. Now let's check out next one. Wow. So this is the last saree for today's session. So in case if you have missed our live, don't worry, we'll be uploading all our videos in our YouTube, Facebook and Instagram channel. Just go and watch our videos there and select your favorite saree from that videos and WhatsApp us. See, here we have got the last one for this live. It's a very beautiful one with orange and purple color combination. And this saree has got all over small jal weaving with flower design. And here is the pallu, purple color, kaddi with flower designer border. And the pallu, beautiful one, grand rich pallu with contrast color for the saree. And the blouse is also in contrast color here, so that it looks great with the saree. It's in purple color, it's plain with border. So the item code for this beautiful saree is LV4072 and weaver's price is 25,000 rupees only. So yeah, this is all about our collections today. Very beautiful collection, isn't it? Yeah, I'll be back with many more beautiful and pretty collections in the next live. Until then, take care, bye bye.